So this is probably my favorite hair care product of all times. That it might look like this is a new bottle, but this is actually my backup because I'm almost done. So, you know, when I bought a new one, I had to buy the big boy. So this is the 8.5 fluid ounce. And this is probably my favorite. I use this all the time with my hair, and this is probably the thing that will get my hair the smoothest, the silkiest, and the best looking. So if you're looking for hair care, this is it. So what this is it's going to give you a faster blow drying time, which is, as you can see, I have a lot of hair. So faster blow drying time is super important to me. This is a humidity resistant, so this will condition your hair and seal in the cuticle, which will really help reduce the frizz. This is also give you the beautiful, like, juicy scent, which has notes of apple, dewberry, white peach, and strawberry. So it's a super, like, beautiful fruity scent. But the way to, I love to put this in my hair, and then I'll just run a blow dryer through it, and it kind of locks everything in. That I find that this is the easiest way for me. So I love to, like, take a nice, like, round brush or whatever, my heated brush, and kind of work the product into my hair. And I find that that really kind of helps, like, lock everything in. So when I first started using this was probably like so many years ago, but the fact that it helps my drying time, but also being that heat protection that I feel like I don't always get because if I forget to use it, but having kind of that 2-in-1 of this is better used with heat, but giving you the heat protection is kind of the best of both worlds. So if you're looking for something to actually tame your frizz, this is